Hi Paul, your guitar, one 3-string Dog Bowl Reso, beach neck, semi-closed machine heads, mahogany heel with a Carowin fretboard, Carowin really dark mahogany, standard fret markers which are inlaid there, humbucker pickup which is a hot rail, obligatory standard issue Dog Bowl with a I've put a aluminium string retainer on this one, 8 fancy brass corners and the volume on the top there. Sounds really sweet. Play pretty much standard, a little bit of finger picking. I've left the Dog Bowl in chrome as you wanted, and I put some chrome sound meshing on the sound holes. I was going to say F holes, but they're not F holes, are they? So there you go. That's the back. So there you go, mate. I hope you like it. We'll get that in the post for you, and send you the tracking number to let you know where it is. So just a quick demo, nothing more, nothing less. Just put it with my rubbish playing, sorry, as usual. There you go, mate. Bye.